Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
What?
Ako pala si Bisayang Hilaw at kasama ko ngayon si Zoe Palier.
Tagalog or the channel. Ready? Okay! Mamut na!
Mamutang!
Yes!
Mamutang! Mga
Mamutang!
mga bahay. Sige, bago na yun ni-upload ang 11 months na mo sa mong relationship. Kilig. Sige, so among first month, sorry, nagbuhat kami og challenge. How well do you know your partner challenge? O ako nagdaog.
I lost. Do you guys remember?
Yes,
And I had to go
paragliding.
paragliding. I was gonna say skydiving, but I did not.
Tungod sa quarantine, wala kami nakagawas. Dugay na, wala kami nagbuhat og vlog. So, we are doing another sit-down video to see who knows each other better.
Maybe I've learned a thing or two in 11 months. I don't know.
Sige, so na ko yung mga pangutana dito sa online. So, kasama na to. So, tanaw na to kung makasabot siya na ako.
Yes, I'll see if I can understand you.
Pero, sige, so, muna siya mga pangutana. And then, wala kami consequence.
Yeah, we don't have one yet. So, you guys have to choose for us the best consequence for the loser, and then we'll choose.
Sulat below, and then the winner will choose of your comments. The consequences.
Get creative.
Has to be here at the hotel because we can't leave our hotel.
Oh yeah.
So this quiz, not siya yung mga categories. Ang first category is childhood and family questions.
Well, I can't look.
Una sa tanan. Asa ka na nako?
Where did you grow up? Right?
Yes.
You grew up in Kaysville.
Fruit Heights, technically.
Oh, kiss my ass. I get that.
Okay. Siya, nadako siya sa trick question kay natawa siya sa Cagayan de Oro, no upat ka tuig siya dito sa Camiguin, og nadako gyud siya sa Australia sa Burpengary.
Hey.
Dili sa Brisbane. Sige, next question. Did I ever go to summer camp? Ay, Bisaya di ay.
You're not
Naka-summer camp ka ba?
Did you ever go to summer camp? Yeah, there's the thing for the LDS camp for the youth.
It was a scouting camp, so technically not LDS, but we'll count it.
Really?
But the question was, did I go to summer camp? Yes, I did. And did you go to a summer camp? Yours was religious.
Mine was religious.
Unsay trabaho sa inyong ginikanan?
What's a ginikanan? What the heck's a ginikanan? Parents?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was lucky guess there. Okay, what works your parents? English is good.
So you go.
So your dad works at a credit union?
Ooh, that was a trick question.
Why?
Because I thought you were at say bank.
I know things. And your mom is a dog groomer at home, but only small dogs.
Or medium.
Oh yeah, big Jim,
But
but,
they said
but
medium.
not Kyrie.
Yung ginikanan, yung papa sa meatworks. So, mabantay siya sa karne ninyo kung okay na siya kaunon.
All that Australian beef that you guys love so much.
Yes.
From me,
Yung
Daddy.
papa nagbantay para safe kayo. Huwag yung mama nagtrabaho sa hotel. Reyes na sa una.
But
Pero
not
nag-quit
the
siya.
same department.
We already know all these questions. We gotta get some deep, hard ones. Mas parehas ka sa imong nanay o sa imong tatay?
Am I more like my mom or my dad? I'm so good at Bisaya.
Humble pa.
Physically, I am like my mother, except for
Photo.
my eyebrows. Thanks, Dad. Personality-wise, well, I have similar qualities to my mum. That's why we butt heads a bit. I'm stubborn. She's also a Scorpio, though. I'm a lot like my dad because we're like introverts. We like the garden and our dogs. Wait, I answered for me.
What is this, an introduction?
This is not how these things work.
Alright. That's a X for you.
That's not an X.
Yeah.
No.
Is this boring for you guys? Should we just give up now?
No.
Stick to travel vlogging? Alright.
Oh, sorry.
Unsay akong paborito na subject sa eskwelahan?
What's your favorite subject at school? Oh, I don't know. Did you guys have sport like PE?
Yeah.
PE?
Meh.
Oh, what?
Gym.
How is that not the same thing?
Just kidding. And her favorite, I don't know, she was a nerd. She wasn't good at math.
Thank you.
She hated sports.
I had heaps of friends. I did.
Dogs.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright.
Okay. What was it?
Is
Come
reading
on.
a subject?
Shut up. No.
Oh, writing.
Writing's not a subject either.
English.
But thank you, English. Yes, English is my favorite.
Favorito.
Favorito.
Alright, next subject.
He farted! Disgusting! Get away.
Sa'yo mas maho? Ang utot? O imong baba?
What's more smelly, your farts or my
His
breath?
mouth.
Your
Alright.
tonsil stones.
If
Okay.
you don't know what tonsil stones are, look them up. Alright, food questions.
I like food. Can you angle it so I can like at least look at you?
Sige, unsa imong pili sa duha? Itlog o pancake?
What would I get out of which one would I get? Out of eggs or pancakes?
Pili ba?
I don't know what pili is.
Unsa pilion nimo?
What one do you want?
Choose.
Choose. What would I what would I choose out of
Remember,
eggs
this
or
your
pancakes?
answer for
For
me.
you, I know that. I keep forgetting. Obviously pancakes, but only from McDonald's. Or the ones across.
You talking about me?
Yeah, you.
Uh,
Me, obviously. Or the ones at Gabby's.
pancake?
Oh, that's French toast. Disregard. McDonald's pancakes. All the way.
Yeah. And syempre,
Now-
ganun siya itlog.
I want breakfast.
You know, return it to a nasty joke.
What?
So you like eatlogs?
Thanks, guys. Please don't turn that into something. I like scrambled eggs.
Ganun kag hot dog or hamburger.
Yeah, do you prefer hot dogs or hamburgers?
Yeah.
You've never ordered hot dogs out, ever. You like juicy tenders for some bizarre
Cheese.
reason. Cheesy. ones.
Cheesy filled ones.
Okay, but if we were out somewhere and it was between a hot dog and a hamburger, you choose a hamburger, no cheese.
Oh, yeah.
You'd probably still choose a hamburger over juicy tenders if I made you a hamburger, though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, hot dogs are not good. Besides juicy tender, cheesy ones are. She likes hot dogs, you know. But would you choose that over a hamburger?
Exactly. I was just going to say what kind of hot dogs I like.
Shoot.
Yeah.
You choose a hamburger. If it's like a good hamburger.
With or without cheese.
With cheese. Alright.
Okay, fine.
That was a hard one.
Without what?
Onions. Okay.
If it's a tie and neither of us lose, someone has to come up with a couples challenge for us to do together. And I'm not doing TikTok. I'm
You
not.
literally downloaded TikTok.
Just to see what the fuss is about.
My girlfriend's so fun.
I'm fun. I just don't know how to do that.
Alright. Ready? Unsay akong paborito na meal sa Usgad lang.
What's your favorite meal of the day? Oh, so good. It's not breakfast because you sleep through it. We always. Your favorite meal is the first meal that we eat, whether that is breakfast or lunch. Oh, but no, it depends on what we eat. So if we're going out, your favorite meal would be like, I don't know. No, we've never skipped dinner.
Yep.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we've never skipped it. Even when I'm asleep and it's like 10 p.m. Let's go get dinner. Oh, what's mine?
Is it breakfast or dinner? Dinner. No, let me think of this
No,
one through. Let me
I
think this one
need
through.
to
Let me
think about it as well, really. Because there's different circumstances.
You sleep through both.
Breakfast.
Avocado.
Yeah, I love brunch as long as it's like I'm going out for brunch or having or cooking whatever nice food. I freaking hate breakfast if it's before work and at like 5 a.m. and I have to try and stomach a muesli bar or something. But I love dinner after I've been out all day and like I'm so hungry and I can't wait to get back and just eat. So pretty much I love all food when I'm hungry. I don't have a favorite meal.
All right.
He wins. Not wins, it's a tie.
Next category. Relationships and love questions. This is a good one.
Okay.
Pila imong edad
How
katong nakay first kiss?
How old were you when you had your first kiss?
Yeah.
Never!
First kiss on the lips.
17.
You sure?
Pero... 17.
Correct! The month of April 2000 and...
Was it a birthday kiss?
9 or something? I don't know. No, it wasn't. It was for Sadie. It was during Sadie Hawkins' dance.
I don't know what that is.
The woman chooses the man. The girl chooses the boy who goes to the dance. Anyways, good times, good times.
I don't count high school boyfriends as boyfriends.
That counts as a
It
boyfriend.
doesn't count.
How does that not count?
It doesn't count, but anyway, if you're just talking about the first peck. But do you know me?
I'm guessing 14.
Close. I was 13. You got it wrong!
Those don't count. You have to be at least in high school.
What?
Yeah.
I was in high school.
13?
Yeah, I'm a November baby.
You kissed on the lips in 13.
Yes.
What was his name?
Mitchell. If you want to look him up. No, don't look him up. There's too many of you. Don't look him up. Today, Junior.
Corona?
No, I just choked a little bit.
None of these questions are juicy. All right, last category. Let's go. This last category is random questions. This will decide who
He's the winner.
the weakest link. Goodbye.
I'm so hungry.
Okay. Pause the walls. Unsay akong buhaton para mawa akong stress.
What do you do to relieve stress?
Yeah.
Honestly, my Bisaya is top notch. I just.
Sige, pag Bisaya oy. After English.
Okay, what do you do to relieve stress? Stress.
Here it is cool.
You don't get stress very much. You get stressed if you don't make vlogs in a while, so to relieve stress, you make a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you need to help me make a video. Like that.
We can't leave our hotel. I would say no. That was the wrong answer. If it's abroad stress, but since this is unique stress, yeah, sure. I'll count it.
Okay.
Let's get real. If I'm stressed about life, I'm not gonna go make a vlog. That's not gonna be stressing.
But you don't get
This is just stress about the vlogs.
But that's the only thing that really causes you stress. You're so calm. We're in lockdown in half an island. The world is shutting down and you're just like, yeah, that's true.
Alright. She gets stressed a lot, so she yells at me. That's one of her stress relievers.
I don't yell. I just yell.
What does she do to relieve stress? She does not, unless I apologize for what she has done. Joe.
You know this.
Joe.
You know this stress reliever.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, she does this.
No, I don't anymore.
They used to.
With my fake nails.
Yeah.
But no, this is not. No, that's not a stress reliever. That's again a sign of anxiety.
Okay,
What
actual.
do I do to relieve my stress?
What do
you want?
you don't relieve stress?
Yes, I do.
You have to call your friends and text them. Final answer. You sleep.
If I'm stressed, I can't sleep. You're wrong.
You shower.
What?
She showered.
No, I don't.
Oh, what do you do?
Are you forfeiting?
Yeah.
I play Candy Crush.
Oh! Oh, yeah. Unbelievable. Frank, come here.
I literally take it out. And you're like, what are you doing? I'm a stress reliever. Come on, we do that.
Gosh dang it.
I play Candy Crush.
I don't deserve to win the game. Alright, final question. I can't win anyway, because I'm down 2. Just for you guys, extra question. You pick the last one.
Okay.
That's it.
What would I... Do I have any student loans? That's funny. He doesn't. Okay, what would I do with $1 million?
Well, you would do lots of things. One, you would create Puppy Pals, which would be an organization to help stray dogs in Kamigan. And if she had $1 million, she might as well help the whole Philippines.
True. We're starting community, you know, something more expand.
So she would snip off dogs' quans, so they wouldn't.
And never been a quan before.
Alright, am I right? Yes. Obviously you do it a lot more because you have $1 million.
It's a good start.
She would also buy a cute little house.
I mean, if I had $1 million, though, I'd probably get a bigger home.
See? She would spend all her money. That's my answer. She would lose her $1 million and it's gone.
I'm not saying I'd get a mansion, but I don't need to get a tiny home. Yeah, you're right. What would you do with $1 million? Well, you put some in stocks, that's for sure.
Invest.
Yeah, he would invest because he's not like me.
Especially right now because the stocks are. Might take a while to get that done.
But, you know, when we're retired. Okay, so he'd put some in stocks and then he would also use that money to help somehow, I don't know which organization or if he'd come up with his own, but human trafficking.
I want to help human trafficking.
No, you wouldn't help them. He would help fight against them in some capacity.
Yeah.
Whether that's donations or he wants to knock down doors and be that guy.
Sting operation.
I'm not allowing it.
Alright.
Am I right?
Yeah, sure. Alright, so that's it, folks. Make sure to subscribe to my TikTok. And we.
I won! Me! So, come up with a punishment for C. Kaloy. Carson.
Alright, sige, muna siya. Nagpildi ko, nagdawag siya.
Such a sore loser.
You literally cry every time I beat you in Scrabble.
I don't cry, I just don't want to play with you.
I won't even talk about Scrabble. I'll explain that in another video. Alright, salamat sa pagtanaw. Punta na lingaw mo. Stay inside.
Yes.
Ayaw mo gawas-gawas.
Stay inside!
Unless you need to work, because we understand that there's a lot of people that still need to work and do their things to provide for their family. But if you have the luxury to stay inside,
Yeah.
stay the near inside.
And that does not mean hanging out with your friends in your friends' houses. That's not staying inside. It's just hanging out. Larry said I don't talk enough, so I'm trying to talk for you, Larry.
Larry? He said you don't talk enough. Are you serious?
He said in the videos I don't talk much.
Oh. Shout out Larry. Alright, Siggy, we're gonna end it.
Oh, I've got a new dance though. What is it?
TikTok. Hey.
Oh, you lean forward. I'm like trying to...
Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh,
ang
okay,
pingmotan.
I won! Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Hey, Kai Kai. Margie. Hi.